That'll do him, mate. That'll do. Yeah, good.
We got a big spread in a little trailer. I want to blow him. Oh, that's under that.
Got him. Oh, look at it. It's like a Batmobile. Here we go, we're on. Yee-hoo!
I think we're good to go.
We're off! Which way you reckon, Matty? Trying to find our way to the Fitzroy River. Got no idea where we're going. Just fully winging it. That way. Tell you what, mate, she's getting thick. Uh-oh. That's a difficult one, eh?
If we go under...
Under and...
Or maybe around.
How good? That little raptor.
Yeah, little rapids.
Which way?
We go under there.
We'll go this way. North a little more, we'll actually come straight to the river.
I reckon left around that one, mate.
We found the river! Woo! Hey, it's deep there if you're worried, mate. Give it up!
Go on. Hey, you can't get it up on top.
Just made our way past the old telegraph pole. So we've had a bit of a plan. Not much of a plan. The plan was that there is no plan, but the sort of objective was to go up to a little secret barrel hole, and we're making our way there now. Looks like we're going to get there.
trees start up down here further again.
Hopping into a thing called Helmet's Hut. Here it is. An old fella that lived out here for over 40 years. I'm sure he'd have a few stories to tell. Old mate used to love the tins. But here's his shack. Here's one of his old cars, I think. Old mate used to live here through the wet season, everything. Crazy. Here it is, Helmet's Hut.
Cool.
Absolute madness.
Yeah. Any logs? Any logs?
Nah, you're sweet.
Roger.
Oh, good.
Any cars?
Now, what do you reckon that is?
He would have done some wet season for Belgium.
That might be a fresh tin, Tom. How are you going?
I'm good, mate.
Let's go have a beer in the house. Yeah.
Imagine living out here.
That's only a metre under his floor. Like,
He would have drank himself.
Oh, it would have flooded, eh?
surely it would have flooded.
Now, in wet season, he'd live upstairs.
Everybody home.
It's my land.
Looks like it's about to fall on our head.
Yeah.
How's the bathtub? How's his bathroom?
Been trashed.
Oh, it's still got a shitter.
You literally could drive your car here and run down there.
Yeah.
Imagine the amount of barrel this bloke would have eaten.
That's what I said. I wonder what his biggest was.
He would have left off like croc, barra.
Croc bar, yeah.
You see all of the wolves, eh?
There's photos of it, of like piles of cans. Oh,
I reckon you'd have to just sink his fucking moldies in the wet season.
Oh, he's got a bathroom, not bad.
Didn't he get
you can just fish straight off your balcony.
He ever got a meter?
Oh, look at his binge tree.
I reckon he would have got plenty of those.
What is that good for, Woods?
Yeah, what were you saying? The glass
It's
in
got
the concrete?
100 times the amount of vitamin C than a
Yeah, have
orange.
Bottles in it?
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Retaining walls. What for? Well, obviously
space
to
filler.
concrete, yeah.
How's he? He was a man of taste, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Look at that pillar. That just shows you you're a well-built man, you know?
Yeah, a bit of mosaics.
Time, he's like,
Where did he even get these mosaics from?
nip the dirty hardware, we're going to drive up the dirty
Well-
in that car, go and
Oh,
get
there
some
we go.
tiles.
Mate,
He left his trail here.
See photos of it, like when it's...
Yeah, Malcolm Douglas' video, he's got it.
You look like this. Alright, let me go and sow the seeds.
I'm just going to have a blindy.
Get some baitsies.
Just to see, you know?
Yeah, you might get some baits.
You never know, I would.
Soak some bait.
There could be bulk cherries right here.
Yeah.
Oh, bust ups.
Oh, look over there. That's where we want to be, boys.
Yeah, in the grass, eh?
We'll scare them in for you.
What's going on here, mate? Feeding the chickens?
Yeah, feed the chickens. You got them.
I'm not feeding or catching anything.
You've got a big bucket of chicken feed there. Yeah. Can't feed Kimberley farming Woodley.
How long do you wait?
Shut up.
2 cans normally.
Love it.
That's a long time. Nah, because what you got to do is it goes 2 cans and 1 can there from there on in. Yeah.
Fitzroy explored. Didn't get to the barra hole. We tried pushing up as far as we could, but there wasn't enough water. Surprisingly, there's water everywhere. Basically now we've got about a 17-kilometre trip back to where we launched, and yeah, we're chasing the sun. It's about 6:30, and we got about an hour's drive. So yeah, we're chasing the sun, and we got this big storm ahead of us. Oh, these bad dogs. Oh, you profile pic right there. Raging. Look at that log. Oh, we're racing. We're off. Now to find our way back in. Yeah, send him. Yeah. Give it up. Well, pull. Left. Yeah. Go on.
Off the leg! Higher! Go and give her a frothy. Oh, it's so hot.
Hey, crocodile.
Wait, let him. Lucky. That's the best.
Beautiful.
Floaters now, mate.
Just in the nick of time. Perfect timing, eh?
Couldn't have timed that any better, eh?
Yeah.
Like, that jump was a
I thought we were going to get done by that storm.
Wait, what did you jump in the queue for?
Nah, you're right, mate. I wouldn't push in front of you. You'll bash me, mate. I don't want no trouble here.
That's the crocodile.
Take the barrels off, eh?
Probably one more on the back of you, eh?
Yeah, come on.
Hold on, I'm coming.
I'll guide him up. Alright, thank you. Hold on.